Okay, this video is going to be a little refresher on how to multiply 2 digits by 2 digits using partial products. So the problem in week 1, day 3 says use digits 1 through 9 to multiply together to get the biggest product and the smallest product. So here's sort of an example. At the top I have my digits 1 through 9. And I'm going to put them in the box to find a product. Now the question is asking you to find how could you find the largest product you could make using these numbers, and how could you find the smallest product using these numbers. You're only going to use 4 digits at a time because you have 2 digit by 2 digit. So I'm going to just do a little refresher on how to use partial products to multiply 2-digit numbers. So I think I'm going to do the numbers 34 times 17. And I've decided that to help me keep track, I'm going to use red for my tens and blue for my ones. So my first number is 34, and then I said 17. So I've got 34 and 17. So I've written my numbers just to help me keep track when I'm multiplying them together. So my 2-digit numbers are 34 and 17. So when I do partial products, it's the area model without the box. So I'm going to multiply my tens place first. So I have a 3 in the tens place. So the value isn't 3, it's 30. So the first thing I'm going to multiply is going to be 30 times 10 to multiply both of my 10 digits, my 10 place digits. So I'm going to do 30 times 10, which is 300. So that is the first product of my partial product. So next, I'm going to do my tens place and then the ones place. Tens in my first factor, ones place in my second factor. So that's going to be 30 times 7. $30 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. And then I move my place value. So that gives me my second partial product is 210. Now I'm going to multiply my ones place in my first factor with my tens place in my second factor. So that's going to be 4 times 10. And that will give me the value 40. See, I've done 10 place, 10 place, first factor 10 place, second factor ones place, first factor ones place, second factor tens place, and then the last thing I'm going to do is multiply both ones places, so 4 times 7. Then I add, so that gives me all of my partial products that I'm now going to add together to find my final product. And I'm just going to use black since that's my final product. It's going to be so that means my final answer is 578. I hope that this video helps kind of jog your memory on how to use partial products to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit.